Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll show you how to design your uh, ice ice cube tray. So let's start. As we did in the last video, we designed a paper clip. So in this video, we will design ice cube tray. So let's create a new design, and we will close that because we saved it. So let's get back to our project lessons and create a new folder called ice ice cube tray. Hit enter and save this. Save this to ice cube tray and name it ice cube tray. In that way, you can keep your projects organized. In the future, this will help you a lot. So after that, let's create our sketch in this dimension, and we will pick two rectangular pattern rectangular yeah, 2-point rectangle. I'm going so fast. I'm going slow a little bit. So as for the bottom, we will type 300 millimeters, and for there, you have to press tab so you can switch between the numbers and 104. After that, click enter and go to home view. Yeah, as you can see, we got our rectangle. Yep. So now we have to extrude it with 50 millimeters. Extrude. Nope. Extrude 50. Enter. Go to home view. And you see, we got our cube. So after that, we will create a sketch on this cube. Nope, not there, not there. Nope, nope, nope. Yeah, yeah. So we click right click and create sketch. So after we create our sketch on it, we will pick the cube and we will type 30 to 40 millimeters in there. After that, we will click enter and now pick up the sketch dimension. Yeah, and sketch dimension. Nope, not there. That one, that one, that one, that one, and place it right here. And for the dimension, we will type 7 for there. And after that, we will pick this side and this side, and we will type 7. Yeah, as you can see, we placed it right there. So after that, we will activate extrude and finish first thing first, finish the sketch. And after that, we will click extrude, and it won't be a new body, join, intersect, or new component. It will be cut. So we will pick cut and let's drag it under. Yeah, as you can see, it gets red. Why? Because it's going to cut our body. So for the size, we will pick 30 millimeters. Minus 30 millimeters will be enough. And for the taper angle, minus 10 will be enough. So as you can see, it looks like a ice cube tray now, right? And before that, let's look from there. Yeah, as you can see, it got an angle. So click OK and go to home view. Yeah, as you can see, we got it. Yep, we got our first box. So after that, we will add a fillet. Choose the fillet one. And for the faces, we will pick these ones and at the top. And for the size, 4 millimeters will be enough. Type 4, hit the enter. Yeah, as you can see, we got our uh, first, first box. Yeah, and we will use rectangular pattern so because we want to multiply it, and rectangular pattern, and we won't use bodies, we will use features. Go to features and choose these two. Yep, after that you wanna come here and select the axes, and for axis we will select these two. And for the quantity, we will type 7, and for distance we will type 50, and it's not be extent, it will be spacing. Yeah, as I said, 50 millimeters. Nope, 250 millimeters. How whatever, it will be 250. Nope, nope, nope. Can it be? Yeah, yeah, the extent, we will choose extent, and for the quantity in there we will type 2, and 50 will be enough. Yeah, as you can see, we got them, and compute type will be optimized. Hit the OK, and as you can see, we got it. Well, it still looks nice, but we will improve it a little bit more. So for that, we will just go to shell and pick all the faces. Nope. Yep, as you can see, we picked all of the 5 faces. After that, we will type 5 millimeters for the inside thickness, and after no, we will type 2 millimeters for the inside thickness. Am I right? Yeah, 2 millimeters will be enough. Hit the OK, and as you can see, we still got the shape, but the corners look a little bit sharp, so we will add a fillet. So as we come closer, as you can see, we have little edges right there. You want to go and click them, all 4 edges. We will, yep, and after that we will type 10 millimeters for the edges and hit the OK. After that, well, go to construct, and select midplane, and for the planes we will select there and there, and as you can see, we got a midplane right there. So hit OK, and yeah, so we will create a sketch on the midplane. Select the midplane, and after that, well, this is where it gets tricky, so I have to be very slowly. So zoom in to there and pick the line. So I will tell you, actually you don't have to care about the sizes, just we will make an L like that. Yep, and after that we will pick sketch dimension, and for that we will just type 2, and for that we will type 3. Oops. And for there we will type 5, and lastly for this part, yeah, actually we won't use the sketch dimension for there, we will use equal in there. We will just, yeah, as you can see, they're equal right now, both of them are 2. So but as you can see, it got moved, our oops oops so as you can see, our like the L shape moved. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna pick there and we'll pick there, and as you can see, now it got locked. So after that we will go to create, and after that we will finish our sketch and go to solid. Yeah, and we will use sweep as we learned in the last video. So select the profile and select the path. Oops. Oops. We will pick sweep, and for the path we will for the path we will pick here. So, and as you can see, we got it. And for the operation we will pick join, and after that click OK. And now as you can see, we got our like the edge of our ice tray. And lastly we will add a fillet because it's a little bit sharp. So pick these sides and add 1 mm of fillets. Not to there. Oops. 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 Yeah. Add 1 mm of fillet and click OK. Now as you can see, we got our ice tray. So see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.